Hello, welcome in this video. In this tutorial I will show how to connect a device to a location. So if we start in a monitoring environment with a device that is not yet installed and we navigate to a location where we want to connect our device, we can actually see that there is no device connected on this location. And to connect the device, we just click Devices, and we can select from a list of available devices. And this prompts us to create a port. Basically, we have created a port called internal sensor with a channel internal sensor. This was configured in the connectivity environment, and this specific device has only one channel. So that's why even if we create a new port, we can see that there is only one available channel. So all the measurements, in this case the temperature and humidity, will be visualized on this channel. You can click Set. And now if we come back, we can see a lot of new options. So we can see, we could also see graphs. Right now we have no graphs because there were no measurements pushed to that channel yet. But if you start getting measurements, you will see all the relevant graphs here. And we can also see the device. We can see when it's expected to report next time. And we can also edit the pin configurations if we want to make changes. We can also see device information and so on. We can also easily disconnect the device from this location. Disconnect. But we still have this port created here. As long as this port is created, and the next time we link the device, we'll keep the measurements that were stored, the historical measurements that we were collecting in the past. But if you want to get rid of the old data completely, then what you can do is delete this port. But this means that all the measurements that were collected so far will be lost.